Payroll sounds boring, but it sits at the center of one thing every business has to do: pay people correctly and stay compliant. That's why it became a huge business in the US, with the payroll services market estimated at $8.44 billion in 2025 and projected to keep growing. This video uses mostly US examples because payroll rules, taxes, and compliance requirements vary a lot by country. In the US, demand has been strong enough that Reuters reported Paychex beat estimates in March 2026 on strong payroll services demand, helped by growing compliance complexity for employers. Every business has to calculate wages, withhold taxes, file forms, manage direct deposit, and keep up with changing rules. That gets harder as companies add employees, operate in multiple states, or layer in benefits and HR tools. QuickBooks Small Business Payroll Guide notes that payroll costs rise with employee count, pay frequency, and multi-state complexity, which helps explain why employers outsource it. Most payroll companies make money through a simple model: a monthly base fee plus a per employee fee, then higher margin add-ons. Current public pricing shows how that works. Gusto says plans start at $49 per month plus $6 per user, while QuickBooks Payroll currently advertises $44 per month plus $6.50 per employee on a promotional rate for its core bundle. ADP also sells payroll in tiered small business plans, though it usually prices by quote. So imagine a payroll company serving 100 small businesses, each with 10 employees. If the average client pays a $50 monthly base fee and about $6 per employee, that's roughly $110 per month per client. In words, 100 clients paying about $110 each would mean about $11,000 per month, or about $132,000 per year, before extras like HR, time tracking, tax filing upgrades, or benefits admin. That math uses current public small business pricing as a directional benchmark, not a universal industry average. The bigger opportunity is not basic payroll alone. It's the stack around payroll: HR support, time and attendance, benefits, retirement, workers' comp, compliance help, and sometimes PEO services. Paychex markets payroll alongside HR, benefits, workers' comp, and financing support for small businesses. And Reuters noted Paychex's demand has been helped by state-level compliance requirements like paid leave, retirement mandates, and wage transparency rules. Payroll companies like this model because it is recurring revenue. Once a business is onboarded, payroll keeps running every pay period. That creates sticky customers and predictable cash flow. It also creates scale. ADP says Run powered by ADP is used by more than 900,000 small businesses, which shows how large a payroll platform can become once the software, compliance engine, and distribution are in place. Demand stays strong because payroll is not optional. Employers can delay software upgrades or marketing spend, but they cannot skip payroll. And the rules keep getting more complex. Reuters specifically tied Paychex's strong recent demand to growing compliance complexity, which is exactly the kind of pressure that pushes more businesses to outsource payroll instead of doing it manually. That is how payroll companies actually make money, not by doing one glamorous thing, but by becoming the recurring compliance and payment engine that every employer eventually needs.